Welcome to No Nonsense Travel Tips. In this video, I will show you how you can find confirmation number of your booking.com reservation. Try and do this from a computer because their phone app is not suited for things like this. Once you're logged into booking.com from your computer, on your home page, you will see your upcoming trip. Alternatively, you can click on your profile image on the top right section and choose bookings and trips. And on the next page, you will see your upcoming trips at the top. Click on the reservation for which you want to find the reservation confirmation number, and that will open up your booking details page. And on the top right of this, you will see your confirmation number here at the top, as well as the PIN number for that reservation. These two numbers are really important because that is what you will need when you're speaking to the customer services or any issues related to that reservation. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.